If you are still typing emails manually, struggling with PowerPoint slides, or writing Excel formulas from scratch, you're working too hard. In this video, I'm showing you 5 AI tools that I actually use to replace hours of busy work. We're covering everything from writing emails with Microsoft Copilot to generating entire presentations with Gamma app and even creating music with Suno AI. And stick around for tool number 5. It's going to change how you use Excel forever. Let's dive in. Subscribe now. Next video will save you even more time. First up, let's talk about creativity. Usually, if you need background music for a video or a project, you have to buy it or risk copyright strikes. Enter Suno AI. I just typed a chill lo-fi beat for studying code. Watch this. Check out a few songs I made with Suno AI, created from detailed prompts. That took seconds. Suno AI doesn't just copy music, it composes it from scratch. Whether you're a content creator or just want a custom ringtone, this is a game changer. Next, let's solve the biggest time waster, email. We all hate writing professional emails. This is where Microsoft Copilot shines. Type a draft message like, write an email to my boss requesting him to extend my deadline for the project as I was busy with other projects and attending clients. See that? I just wrote a short question to Copilot. It expanded into a full polite email. This isn't just a chatbot, it's integrated right into your workflow. If you want AI productivity in your daily job, this is a must-have. Now, let's talk about presentations. If you use Excel or Power BI, you probably have to present data. But formatting PowerPoint slides is a nightmare. That's why I use Gamma app. Type prompt. Create a presentation about the future of AI in business. I'm not choosing fonts. I'm not aligning boxes. I just give it a topic. The future of AI in business. Look at that. It creates the layout, adds images, and writes the text. You can export this directly to PowerPoint. What used to take me all morning now takes 5 minutes. We all Google things, but Google gives you links, ads, and SEO articles. Perplexity AI gives you answers. Let's say I need to compare tools for work. I ask Perplexity, compare Power BI versus Tableau. Instead of making me read 5 blogs, it builds me this. It generates a table instantly, and most importantly, it cites the sources. So for research, this is significantly faster than Google. And finally, the one you've been waiting for. How to use Excel AI to stop memorizing formulas. Here I have sales data. I want to give a bonus only if sales are over $200,000 and the rating is 5 stars. Writing a nested if-and formula is annoying. Just type, write an Excel formula to return bonus if B2 is greater than 200,000 and C2 equals 5. I just tell ChatGPT what I want in plain English. I copy the code, paste it in, and done. You don't need to be an Excel expert anymore. You just need to be good at asking the right questions. These 5 AI tools are part of my daily workflow now. I have linked all of them in the description below so you can try them out. If you want to see more practical ways to use AI in Excel specifically, check out this video right here. If this video made you pause, made you question, or made you think, then don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with someone who thinks deeply and leave your thoughts in the comments.